This is Maruti van, totally destroyed by the flood water and mud, because three rivers are connected over here. They got linked over here, and the three rivers is Kanika, Kaveri and Shujoti. This is red coconut. So here I am presenting one of the beautiful. Yay, what's up guys? Day 2 in my itinerary. This is a second stop. So I am in Omkareshwara Temple. So let me show you the temple. It's a great holy place, but there is some dress code. I don't know whether I'll be allowed to go inside or not. So let me show you the temple first. So guys, if you are looking for puja and all, like if you want to do some worship, the timing is morning 6:30 to 11:30, and at the evening it is 5 to 7:30. And this is Hanumanji temple. The name of the temple is Omkareshwara Temple. So my friend, this is Hindu holy temple. If you can see, there is tortoise in the water. So in the water you can see there is fishes, tortoise, very nice, well maintained, and it's very peaceful place. So this is the temple of Hanumanji, Hindu holy temple, and a couple of restrictions are there. You should have some proper dress code, or else if you don't have any dress code, then you just need to purchase what I call lungi, and then only you can come inside the temple. There are some myths. So guys, this is the dress code. My second pick stop is the Coorg Museum. So just right behind me it's a Coorg Museum. So I love museum because I love history. So I love to explore the history. When I'm going through the places of historical places, it reminds me the history. Okay, so history was my favorite subject once upon a time. So that's why I love history. So let's check this out. So this is known as the okay, so this is Government of Karnataka Department of Archaeology Museum and Heritage, and this is Government Museum Madikeri. Okay, so let me show you this. Okay, so from Omkareshwara Temple it takes hardly 5 minutes to come over here. The place is well maintained, as you can see. It's very nice, and there are some historical stuffs are there. And so today the sunny weather. Don't come at the time of full summer, or don't come at the time of monsoon, otherwise you will miss these places, because at monsoon you will get clouds and rain, so not good. But this time this weather is very nice, soothing, comfortable. You can come, you can roam around, and very nice, well maintained, very small museum. This is Hindu mythology and also histories are sculptured in each and every stones over here. I've just come from the museum. So to enter into the museum you need to give only 10 rupees, but the museum is very small, nothing special over there. Yay, what's up guys? So now my third stop for the day, and that is Abbey Falls, which is very famous in Madikeri or in Coorg. So let me see what is inside. So this is the gate of Abbey Falls. You can see that just right behind me. That is a parking area actually. So if you are coming with four-wheeler, you need to park your car at that point. Okay. So let me see what is there. Okay. And this is all plastic free. You can get, which is homemade red wine. You can get from here, which is 100% natural. I just got the permission to click views from here, and it is absolutely great place. So here I am presenting one of the beautiful waterfall, which is Abbey Falls. Just check this out. I just got the permission from police to take some shots from here, and I am just right in front of the Abbey Falls. Just check this out. So I am just right behind the Abbey Falls, which is one of the best falls I have ever seen in Madikeri. And let me tell you something. I got one very great gentleman named Bharat. So Bharat, say hi to my channel, to my viewers. So Bharat helped me to see the Abbey Falls clearly. I have just come down and I have taken some shots. And guys, you come over here, I have given my feedback. You will just see the magnificent side, and it's amazing. So guys, stay tuned. I will catch you soon. Just to cool yourself, you need to have some drink. Okay, so it's nice. After Abbey Falls, my next big stop is Raja's tomb. Now it's a little bit hot, so no worries. Actually, this is on the way of my next destination. So my driver was saying that if you want, you can see the Raja's tomb. So I was thinking, so let's check this out. It's ancient, it's quite nice. Good. Okay, so there are a couple of stuff written over here. Going inside the tomb, and let's see what is there. As I'm feeling very tired, I will have some coconut. Thank you. So my friends, this is red coconut. Wow, very nice. It's cost only 40 rupees, and you should have it. After Abbey Falls in Karnataka, in Coorg especially, I have come to another beautiful and holy place. The name of the place is Triveni Sangama. So Triveni Sangama is a place which is 2 hours of journey from Abbey Falls, Abbey Waterfalls. So you can take cab, four-wheeler. You can easily come over here. It is it's very beautiful. Why this place is very much holy? Because 3 rivers are connected over here. They got linked over here, and the 3 rivers is Kanika, Kaveri and Shujoti. Let me show you this. So the name of the place is Triveni Sangama, and the 3 rivers Kaveri, Kanika and Shujoti. So these 3 rivers are connected. This is a holy place. I have just come down from my vehicle, my cab, the place called Talakaveri in Madikeri, Coorg. Okay, maybe there is a temple. So this is the way that you need to walk through, and then you can reach to this. You can see from here there is one. I think there is one temple. I mean, vehicle are not allowed. Any private vehicle are not allowed place. So you need to walk. Or there is one auto, and I mean I can see there are 2-3 autos are standing over there. So maybe autos are used to take passengers to that place. But just enjoy this beautiful view by walk. It's quite a good place, and from here this very nice views you can see. Now it is almost 4 o'clock. So guys, today I haven't done my lunch because I'm just roaming like a mad. So today now I'm just going to show you one dangerous thing. Yes, so like what happened
2020.
so 2028
Talakaveri.
yes,
Yeah.
this is Talakaveri. So
Yes.
what happened in 2018, there was a big flood, and let me show you the effect of the flood in front of me.
Spot dead of Acharyas.
Exactly.
Yes.
So in front of me there are 3 cars which is totally devastated due to the flood, and let me show you what is the condition. So my friends, this is Maruti van which is totally destroyed by the flood water and mud
2020.
in 2020
monsoon days.
2020
20 years.
2020 monsoon days. Okay, and this is the
Maruti van. This is duster.
this is duster.
Renault, come, I will show you the
Oh
name.
my god.
This is Renault.
Oh,
Have you seen the
Renault, yeah.
You नहीं है.
Renault, yeah, समझ में आ रहा है.
This is a scooty.
So guys, this you can see the condition it
So
is.
here is a scooty.
Okay, and
I don't know the name of the scooty.
Huh.
Can I find it? No need.
No need.
Okay. I think it is a Honda Activa.
So the scooty is
Yeah.
totally
6 members
destroyed.
died.
6, huh?
Acharyas.
Oh, 6 people died.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So my friends, 6 people died due to this heavy flood. It's a horrible things, and I just want to show you the.
Have a shoot from there only. That's it.
Yeah. Okay. So just let me show you the place where. Let me show you the place where this happened. Oh my god. Check this out, friends. So the water was coming from that place, and look at this. In 2020, the monsoon time, after the flood, what happened, I'm just standing in that place. So mud water, if it comes from that place, and it destroyed many homes, cars, and 6 people died due to this heavy flood. This is a sign of time. So my second day itinerary is finished. Anyways, I have some things in my bucket list for tomorrow. So if you're new in this channel, please subscribe, and if you like my video, make a big thumbs up. And guys, travel, enjoy your life, travel the world, see the beautiful world, and peace.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see.